Hey there, travel lovers. Have you ever wondered what China looks like from above? Today, I'm taking you on an incredible journey over some of China's most stunning natural and architectural marvels. Buckle up, because these drone shots are going to blow your mind. First up, we're soaring over the Great Wall of China. Stretching over 13,000 miles, this ancient structure snakes through rugged mountains and lush valleys. From above, you can truly appreciate the sheer scale and majesty of this wonder. Imagine the countless stories etched into each stone, built over centuries to protect and unite a nation. Next, we glide over the Karst mountains of Guilin. These limestone peaks rise dramatically from the ground, shrouded in mist and mystery. The Li River winds gracefully through this surreal landscape, creating a painterly scene that's been immortalized in Chinese art for generations. It's a place where nature and serenity meet in perfect harmony. Now, onto the vibrant cityscape of Shanghai. The futuristic skyline, with its towering skyscrapers and neon lights, is a testament to China's rapid modernization. The iconic Oriental Pearl Tower stands tall, a beacon of innovation and progress. As we hover high above the city, you can almost feel the pulse of this dynamic metropolis. We then drift over the terraced fields of Longsheng. These rice terraces, carved into the mountainsides over 650 years ago, look like giant green steps leading up to the heavens. From the air, the intricate patterns and vibrant colors are nothing short of mesmerizing. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the timeless relationship between man and nature. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Forbidden City in Beijing. This sprawling palace complex, with its ornate roofs and grand courtyards, was once the heart of Imperial China. From above, the symmetry and scale of the Forbidden City are breathtaking. It's a living museum of history and culture preserved in time. Finally, we soar over the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. These towering sandstone pillars, shrouded in mist, look like a scene straight out of a fantasy novel. In fact, they were the inspiration for the floating Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. The aerial view of these natural formations is nothing short of otherworldly. So there you have it, a bird's-eye view of China's natural and architectural wonders. These breathtaking sights remind us of the beauty and diversity our world has to offer. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just daydreaming, let these views inspire you to explore and appreciate our incredible planet. Thanks for joining me on this aerial journey. Until next time, happy travels.